Mutito wa Njukiri kaunti-ini ya EMBU ni kiguciririo kia agendi anyiti itemi sector-ini ino makigithia maundu-ini ngurani ma kurehe hamwe aikari kuma kaunti ino ona kaunti ingi bururi-ini. Riu anyiti itemi marenda thirikari kwandikithia mutito uyu ngathiti-ini ya thirikari niguo makamukira uteithio wa KURAMATA.
Na nikio ndiroria thirikari ni itikire kwencourage local investors, local tourists, ni kuri na opportunities ta iria ikoragwo Ruraya. Mwanake uyu ni akite maundu megutuma local tourists na international tourists iroima all over the world, all over the country, magoka team building, magoka gukoma guko
kupitia function ama sherehe hii. Leo tumeweza kuleta maendeleo hasa katika mambo ya utunzi wa mazingira.
Hindi ya igongona ria gukungwira miaka 7 ya Camp Dunda, mubunge wa Manyata Gitonga Mukunji augite thirikari ni ifatie kugitira kona ciothe cia mutitu uyu.
Tulipata Njukiri forest in Kirinyaga is gazetted, lakini Njukiri forest ile iko Embu County is not gazetted, na tunafuatilia hiyo process. Nataka kuomba kwa heshima PS wa forestry aweze kuharakisha hiyo process tuweze kupata gazette notice ya hii msitu yetu.
Embu correct what we call a transit town, but with Kamdunda rune tutuikite a destination town and maravo tagoka maukete specifically to Embu. So I think also to the government enone chance mbaro akona ati andu Embu no amavote ko invest in Embu na magucia tourists.
Honge itiganite irira rugamirirwo hindi ya igongona riri ari hamwe na ruhonge rwa NEMA ni irahandire miti itemi-ini ria kugacirithia maria maturigiceirie.
I'm here today with my MP to participate in tree planting activities as directed by His Excellency the President. We are also here to celebrate one of the most promising investments in Embu County, nature-based, here in Njukiri Forest.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa NEMA Emilio Mugo ni manyitanire na ruhonge rwa guthingatithia wigirereki barabara-ini NTSA niguo kugathika mitaratara ya guteithiriria kugacirithia maria maturigiceirie.
We are also as NEMA at the moment discussing with NTSA because of the emissions on the roads, and the regulations are being developed so that we can reduce and rein on those who are emitting from the roads.
Hadini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.